Hey there, fellow travelers and Citi card enthusiasts. If you're a proud owner of the Citi Strata card, you're in for a treat because today we're diving into how to make the most of its exclusive concierge service. This handy feature is like having your own personal assistant, ready to handle everything from booking dream vacations to snagging hard-to-get restaurant reservations. Let's break it down step by step so you can start using it like a pro. First off, what exactly is the Citi Strata concierge service? It's a premium perk designed for cardholders like you, offering 24/7 access to experts who can assist with travel, dining, entertainment, and even everyday tasks. Think of it as your secret weapon for hassle-free planning. To get started, the easiest way is through the Citi mobile app. Open the app, log in with your account details, and navigate to the Services or Rewards section. Look for the concierge option. It's usually right there under your card benefits. If you prefer a more personal touch, you can call the dedicated concierge line, which is listed on your card or in the app. Pro tip: have your card details and any specific requests ready to speed things up. Once you're connected, here's how to use it effectively. Start by clearly stating your request. For example, if you're planning a trip, say something like, "I need help booking a flight to Paris for next month." The concierge can search for the best deals, handle the booking, and even recommend hotels or activities. They can also assist with dining reservations. Just provide your preferences, like cuisine type and location, and they'll work their magic. One of the best parts? There are no extra fees for basic services, but always confirm for anything custom. Remember, the more details you provide, the better the results. Oh, and it's available worldwide, so whether you're at home or abroad, you're covered. Before we wrap up, a quick word of caution. While the service is fantastic, it's not for everyday errands. Save it for those special occasions to really maximize its value. If you're new to this, give it a try on something simple like event tickets, and you'll be hooked. There you have it. Using the Citi Strata concierge service is easier than you think and can seriously upgrade your lifestyle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your rewards. Thanks for watching, and happy adventuring.